Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit the message you have sent on your Instagram chat. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and first of all, let's just send a message on our Instagram chat. So we can go to Instagram direct message right here, and I'm going to send a message to this account. So we can tap on the account. And let's say I'm sending the wrong message to this person, so I'm going to edit the message. Okay, to edit the message, we can just tap and hold on the message, then just simply tap on this edit button right here. Tap on the edit. Then we can just edit as we want. Then after we're done, we just need to click on done. Okay, now as you can see that the message has been edited, and that's how we can edit a message we have sent on Instagram chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.